Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. This is PlayPix. This is a brand new software that's coming out today, and I'm going to show you a demo in just a moment about what the software can do. First, before I dive into that, for those of you, if you want to just rush off and you want to check this out right away, I'll give you my feedback on it, and then we'll get into the demo. So, from what I can see so far, the software, it does what it says it does. It creates videos really easily. You can drag in videos, you can drag in audio, you can record your own audio. If you're looking for a video creator that has the basics, this will do it. It's not anything like Camtasia. It looks kind of like Camtasia, but it's not anything like Camtasia. The reason I say that is probably probably the biggest downside of this software that I've noticed is that because it's web-based, you will find there is slow loading times between the actions that you're doing. And if you're patient, it's not a big deal. However, I noticed that it's significantly slower than desktop versions of software like this, and the reason is because it's on the internet and it's editing within the cloud, and that comes with some delays, and it can also cause rendering delays as well. So that's probably the only downside that I really see of this. The templates that I've seen so far are really good. The audio is very clear. You can actually record your own audio. I tested this and it worked really well. You can also add effects, which is really cool as well. So you can choose a video clip and you can click edit clip, and it will actually give you the ability to edit that clip. You can basically do these little drag effects where it'll basically show the drag across the video image itself, and it's quite a cool effect. And there it is. So you can actually take a random image and you can turn that into something that is really quite cool for your video. Then when you're ready, you can just click insert into video and it will go ahead and do that. You can add branding to these, you can add text to them as well, and it's very easy to actually use the software. The editing features within the software, they're very easy to navigate, they're very easy to find, and it does have a lot of different effects. As you can see here, they've got a number of different music, audios, and they've also got a number of videos as well. So with that said, let's go to the dashboard and have a look at the very beginning of the software. So at the beginning of the software, this is what you'll see when you first log in. And you can see here that this is your projects. I'm using one of their test accounts at the moment, and you've also got done for you templates as well. So these are some of the projects that they've actually created. And you can see from here already that you can add clients, which is a really handy feature. You can actually preview it as well. It'll load up a preview here, and you can actually have a look at what the video looks like, which is handy and useful, especially when you're checking out different templates. Most of the templates here are for local businesses, and the reason that they've done that is obviously probably the biggest reason that someone would use this is probably going to be to help a local business. So that's why they've added in a number of these different local business templates. Now, if we go through and have a look at the done for you templates, you can see here we've got audio detail, wedding planner, spa, bakery, pizza shop, injury lawyer, florist, divorce attorney, real estate agent. To start off, we also have childcare, SEO manager, dog training, accountant, dentist, and plumber. So these are all focused on local businesses. Now, you can create from scratch by clicking on this, and you can do that. That will work fine. If you want to create your own templates, you can use videos from around the web to create your own video compilations if you want to. It is very easy to take some of the templates they have here and use them though. They've already pre-programmed the audio in, they've already pre-programmed the music in as well, and they've also given you the ability to basically have a bunch of different clips here. Now, if at any point in time you want to edit anything on the timeline, you can go ahead and select it. You can drag it as you want. You can drag it in, you can drag it out, depending on what the file is. There are some limitations to this, and it's kind of difficult sometimes to see how long the clip is because this is covered, but you can kind of guess how long it will be. You can preview the clip as you're editing as well, which is really handy. So if you want to actually see how the clip is looking, you can go ahead and do that as well. But again, as I mentioned, there is some delays because it's an online software. There is some delays in doing that. Now, if I move and drag in some different pieces onto this, I can do that very easily. I can drag in images, I can drag in videos, and I can easily customize them onto this dashboard here. They've also pre-programmed and pre-added a number of videos as well, and you can actually go to your own files here and you can upload your own images. For example, you can upload, if you select video, your own videos. You can upload your own music. You can record your own audio by clicking on this button here, and then as you can hear, it's actually recording my audio as I do this video. I can then click stop and I can save it, and I can actually add this into this project as I was editing it as well. So all of that is very easy to do as well. Then once you're done, you click save. If you want to save your project, it will then put it into your projects that you've gone ahead and you've saved. You can adjust any of the effects on these as well. I already showed you that, so I won't show it again. And then when you're ready, you just click render. And then what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and render the video. Now, usually it says it's going to take about 10 minutes to render it. And the good thing about this is that they'll actually send you an email once this is complete. So if you're wondering about rendering times, you can just stop this, render your videos, come back to your computer, after dinner, after lunch, whatever you're doing, and you'll see here that the rendering will be done once that's completed. So very useful that you can actually see the rendering being done. So overall, it's a very good software. It's easy to use. You can create a wide range of sales videos, client advertisements, client videos, and you'll find it very easy to do with this software. We'll just preview a couple of these so you can see what other templates are available. All of the templates are about 30 seconds long, so they're quite short, but they do include audio, and it's professional audio as well. It has an American presenter for each of these, and you can also see there's text added across the video. All of these templates have been created within the software, so you can see that if you wanted to, you could actually create your own templates and save them within the software as well for future use too. So that again is very easy to do. We'll go and have a look at one more of these. So if I go into here, one of the more popular ones, probably going to be real estate agent. Real estate agents are usually, always looking for business, and they're a popular thing. This one's about 45 seconds long. If we play it, we can hear this now. It's got, a music track in the background. It's got some effects. It's got some text added to it, and you can see right here that everything is pretty easy to follow and understand. So that's what the software is. If you want to get access to this, go down below. You can check out more details about it and all of the bonuses. If you are looking for a video software to help local businesses that you can sell videos to, this will do a really good job, and at a low cost, you'll be able to basically create your own templates or use the templates here to sell to businesses and make money with this. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Baker. I'll talk to you soon. See you later.